A child with empty hands who offers the only gift he has. He didn't have gold or incense. He had only a simple rhythm, played with love and humility. In that small, sincere offering, given, the boy lowly and poor said, "Shall I play for you?" Then he smiled at me. Right then and there, this interaction made this boy more rich than anything man-made could ever make him. Sometimes we need to just lay it all down right there at the foot of the cross, in front of our King, and say, "Here I am, Lord, empty and vulnerable. I'm here to worship you." So like this drummer boy, here's me, God, and here's all of us, Lord. And I pray that we can worship you, Lord, for who we are, with no distractions, Lord. Help us learn to lay everything at your feet, God, and come to you, Lord. Just come to you how we are. Lord, no show, no more distraction, God, not hiding circumstance or sin, Lord. Just come how we are, Lord, and open our hearts to you. On my